Science News. Scientists have found the world's most brightly colored life form. The world's most brightly colored living thing is a berry called Pollia condensate, living in some African countries. This inedible berry has the most intense color ever discovered in the living world. Even after it is picked, its intense blue color remains vivid without any loss in intensity. The colors are usually produced through pigments in organisms. Pigments are compounds produced by living organisms. The pigments absorb certain wavelengths of light and reflect certain wavelengths that produce the colors we see. Ulrich Steiner from Cambridge University ran into a very exceptional situation when he studied this particular berry, for this berry had no pigments that are required to produce colors. However, it still had an amazingly bright color. The fruit had this color because of its nano-sized cellulose fibrils. As those structures touched each other, they distributed the light. This mechanism, called structural color, allows the color of the fruit to be seen more distinctively on a cellular scale. This berry was collected and dried in Ethiopia in 1974. Clearly, the color has remained as vivid and intense as it was when it was collected 40 years ago due to the structural color mechanism it has. Almighty Allah explains in Surah Fatir that He created the living things in many different colors. Do you not see that Allah sends down water from the sky, and by it we bring forth fruits of varying colors? And in the mountains there are streaks of white and red, of varying shades, and rocks of deep jet black. And mankind and beasts and livestock are likewise of varying colors. Only those of His slaves with knowledge have fear of Allah. Allah is Almighty, ever forgiving.